Welcome to our in-depth review of the Kobra 240 HS-6 high-security small to medium-size cross-cut shredder. Today, we're going to dive into every aspect of this remarkable machine to help you make an informed decision when it comes to securing your documents. First and foremost, let's talk about the Kobra's impressive continuous duty motor, which boasts an impressive 24 hours of uninterrupted operation. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible, and the answer lies in the advanced design of the super potential power unit. This incredible technology leverages a high-torque, heavy-duty chain drive connected directly to steel gears, providing the necessary power and stability to shred even the most resistant materials. This level of performance doesn't come without its own set of benefits. For one, you get the assurance of continuous duty capability, which means less downtime and increased productivity. Whether you're clearing out confidential documents or securely destroying sensitive data, this machine is designed to keep up with your demands. Plus, this impressive motor also comes equipped with a state-of-the-art motor thermal protection system, preventing overheating and ensuring your machine runs smoothly for an extended period. In addition to the robust motor, the Kobra 240 HS-6 also features a smart design that ensures seamless operation. For instance, the automatic start/stop feature is triggered by electronic eyes that detect the material's presence and adjust accordingly. This efficient automation minimizes waste and maximizes your shredding experience. Furthermore, when the waste bin is out or in standby mode, the machine automatically stops and sends a helpful signal to the user, eliminating unnecessary clutter and confusion. One of the standout features of this shredder is its exceptional cutting capability. The Kobra 240 HS-6 sports carbon-hardened cutting knives, which guarantee sharpness and durability. Unlike cheaper models that rely on flimsy materials, these blades remain razor-sharp even after extended use, effortlessly shredding through stacks of paper with ease. This also contributes to a quieter shredding experience, perfect for busy offices or workspaces. Moving on, let's discuss the safety aspects of the Kobra 240 HS-6. The stacked/floating head design provides maximum resistance against even the toughest documents. This clever configuration effectively reduces the amount of pressure exerted on the machine during shredding, ensuring a smoother operation and minimizing potential hazards. When combined with the sturdy steel cutting knives, this design guarantees a virtually accident-free shredding experience. We've all been there. We've used a shredder and been stuck dealing with clumpy, tangled messes that refuse to fit inside the waste bin. Not this shredder. The Kobra 240 HS-6 is equipped with a conveniently large 9.5-gallon removable waste bin, designed to effortlessly store even the most stubborn shreds. Cleaning up afterwards is as easy as taking the bin out and emptying it. Moreover, unlike other shredders that require you to use plastic bags or complicated liners, the Kobra 240 can handle messy waste with ease, streamlining the entire shredding process. Another feature worth highlighting is the shred size. The Kobra 240 HS-6 achieves a highly impressive cross-cut shred size of 0.2 by 0.4 inch, 5 by 10 millimeters. This tiny shred size makes it virtually impossible to reconstruct shredded documents using standard reassembly techniques. This, in turn, guarantees your sensitive data and confidential documents will remain secure and confidential for years to come. We've also taken note of the certifications and compliance this shredder has to offer. The Kobra 240 HS-6 proudly meets the Trade Agreement Act, TAA, compliance standards, a testament to its superior quality and global suitability. This means you can confidently use this shredder in any professional setting, knowing you are adhering to the necessary regulations and compliance regulations. In conclusion, the Kobra 240 HS-6 has proven itself to be an exceptional choice in the world of high-security shredders. Its remarkable continuous duty motor, paired with its cutting-edge design and advanced safety features, makes it a standout addition to any office, home office, or workplace. With its 9.5-gallon waste bin and automatic start/stop feature, it offers a seamless user experience. Plus, with the shred size guaranteeing maximum security, you can trust that your sensitive documents will be protected from unauthorized access for years to come. Don't compromise on security or performance. Choose the Kobra 240 HS6 for all your high-security shredding needs.